Listen, it's just me and you now. Nobody has to know. You can tell me. I promise. I won't tell anybody else. It'll be like our secret, you know? It's like we've been together for almost 8 years now. You didn't see me through my good, my bad. You know everything about me. I never once hid anything from you. You knew everything about me. And you still do. But I just feel like you're hiding one thing from me and it's driving me crazy. Like, I just want to know. Maybe we can move past it together. So you're just not gonna say anything? Okay, let me make sure. The radio's turned up. I can hear you. Is it not the radio? What do I need to do? Still nothing? I knew you wasn't no transformer. You know what? Let's go, man.